Hi. We will see how to install Agentic skill for ARX Wizard. Then we will write a small prompt and we'll see how the project gets created. So this is the path. Uh, Type here and keep pressing enter. Okay, the installation is done. Now you can copy this. Uh, Probably let's start the Copilot. If you see, it has created a global. Uh, we can type Copilot. Uh, you can type what skills do I have? The skill has been installed. acad-arx Wizard scaffolding for AutoCAD 20 replace broken wizard. So this is the main reason that we have rethought about deploying into ARX agentic skill. Let's start with a small prompt. Uh, so it will be starting. Okay, so okay, so the project has built it. Uh, can you build it? So it is picking from the learnings, MD. If there is some kind of a problem, Okay, so let me launch AutoCAD 2027. Let's see if ARX is loading or not. And meanwhile, I'll keep this session open. Meanwhile, I'll keep the session open and I'll open another shell. So let me just upload. Okay, the plugin seems to be failing because I opened AutoCAD 2024. That's why the plugin is failing. Let me close this and open AutoCAD 2027. While AutoCAD gets loaded, we will switch to uh, this project and open in developer environment, and let me load this again. So we are in AutoCAD 2027, upload. Plugin loaded successfully, and type my command. So looks like there is no output in that. If we go here and see here, my command has nothing. It's a blank. So you can start playing around with GitHub Copilot Chalet here. That skill is already available. If you want to write some button or something, you can definitely add here and you can start building. So that's all. If you want, I can show you. Can you please add a simple to do UI with done, undone, and undone buttons within the MFC project. Create commands to do cmd show, to do cmd close. Let's see how it works. I'm pausing now. Uh, it has making a plan. Let's fast forward to it. So the build is completed. Let's reload the DLL, upload, to do ToDo has created morning. So we have a focus problem. So that can be fixed. What you can do is go back. This is a good. So let me close this and ARX unload ADK my plugin come back. So it has observed in the official SDK pattern of modeless sample dialog, and it's trying to fix it. Let's see how it goes now. First, it has attempted to using a very error-prone mechanism of timer on activate, but when I told that research for MFC samples that are available in SDK, then it has got the right pattern. And that consequently updates into the learnings empty. So this learnings MD is your living knowledge tree that as long as you keep on spending your time writing the projects, this gets accumulated and it becomes your wiki. Okay, let's again see. Upload. To do morning walk. Add. Select. Done. Close. It's working. Bye bye. But I will also show something else. So since we learned, right, use GHAPI to to update learnings MD to the parent repo. Uh, so I'm also updating immediately. So the future users who will clone that will have the latest learnings. So even I have pushed, let's exit. Thank you.